Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Ford Mustang GT Premium. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 32,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.